In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix GPU not showing in Task Manager. So what you want to do is go down here under taskbar and right click on an empty space and click on Task Manager. And as you can see in here, there's no GPU showing, there's only CPU, memory, disk, and network. And there's not really a button where you can enable this, and if you go over here under more processes, as you can see, you can't really see it, and it's only inside this performance window over here, but you want it over here under processes, and you can of course see what's causing the most problems and what's using the most GPU. So the easiest way to do this is just simply clicking on an empty space like over here, right clicking on the empty space, and then as you can see it says GPU and there's no check mark next to it. You want to click on it, and now as you can see GPU has been added to your names over here, so next to the CPU, memory, disk, and network. And if you now click on it, you can kind of filter by the highest utilization across the GPU engines, and that's pretty much it.